Using air wedges to level your appliances. In this video, I'm going to show you how air wedges can be used to easily level out your appliances. And though it's hard to see on camera here, my dishwasher is a little bit uneven as it's sitting about 1/8 of an inch higher on the upper right corner. Here we can see that I've already removed the kick plate, giving me access to the leveling feet. I went ahead and used a flashlight so we could see a little bit better, and yeah, I'm human, I have cobwebs too. Having placed the air wedge underneath the flame, I'm now going to pump it up until I start to raise the unit. Once the unit is raised, I can go ahead and adjust the foot as needed. You'll see here that I just use my hand to adjust the foot, and while in most cases this will probably work, in other cases it might be a little bit stubborn and you might need to get a wrench or a pair of pliers to get it to move. Once the unit's been adjusted, you can go ahead and hit the air release and the bag will deflate. Next, I'm going to lift my refrigerator, and it is a full-size LG refrigerator, so it does weigh quite a bit. Originally, I tried to do this with one bag, but it wasn't quite enough, so easy solution, I just used 2 bags. It wasn't the fact that one bag wasn't enough to lift the refrigerator, it was that one bag wasn't enough to fill the gap between the floor and the refrigerator, thus I had to space it out with 2. With one bag inflated, I'm going to go ahead and start pumping the second bag, and you're going to see that the refrigerator will start to lift up off the ground. I will start to pump both of these bags up to get enough clearance. However, if this is a problem for you or you simply can't get it done with 2 small bags, they do make these in multiple sizes and you can just use one large bag. The versatility of these bags are fantastic, and I'll cover more in future videos. I just wanted to point out that as far as leveling out your appliances go, the damage-free guarantee is about as good as you're gonna get.